If you're anything like me, you've probably gone through a lot of different products trying to get that white smile. With so many teeth whitening options out there, it can be a bit overwhelming to figure out what really works, which is why I decided to do the research for you and give Snow Teeth Whitening a try to see if it lives up to the hype. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be getting into an updated review of Snow Teeth Whitening, and I'll cover everything that you need to know about this product, including how it works, its pros and cons, the results you can expect, and of course my personal experience using it. And hopefully by the end of this video, you should have a clear idea of whether Snow Teeth Whitening is the right choice for you. And if at any point you're thinking of giving Snow a try, I've left an affiliate link down in the description. It won't cost you anything extra, and you'll even get a discount that you won't find on their website. And so without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, if you're unfamiliar with Snow, it started back in 2017 and is a company that focuses on offering effective at-home teeth whitening kits, and has quickly become one of the best teeth whitening brands. They offer new products that are designed to give you professional level results at home, and their goal is to make teeth whitening accessible and affordable for everyone, including those with sensitive teeth. Now, the way Snow works is actually pretty simple. First, you start by ordering one of Snow's teeth whitening kits, which includes everything that you need to get started. The kit comes with a lead mouthpiece and a teeth shade guide to track your progress, and a whitening serum that is designed to be gentle on your teeth while effectively removing stains. And you can use the mouthpiece for as little as 9 minutes a day, but if you leave it in for longer, you'll most likely see the results quicker. And you can decide how often to use it based on how fast you want results. Snow recommends using it daily for the best effect, and most people start seeing results within about 2 to 3 weeks, but you might even notice a slight difference after a few uses. The kit's designed to be safe on enamel and effective even for people with sensitive teeth, so you don't have to worry about discomfort. On top of that, the Snow kit is easy to maintain. Just rinse the mouthpiece after each use, and you're good to go. Plus, the LED light is rechargeable, so you can keep using it without any trouble. Overall, it's designed to fit into your routine easily, making it super convenient if you want a wider smile without a lot of effort or dentist visits. That being said, in terms of their plans, pricing, and features, first we have the Snow Diamond Teeth Whitening Kit, which costs $99. This set comes with 3 diamond whitening serums and a lead mouthpiece, which is designed to whiten teeth up to 8 shades with a daily use of 9 minutes. Then there's the Diamond Wireless Teeth Whitening Kit, which is priced at $119. This wireless kit uses 2 types of light therapy, the blue light for whitening and the red light for gum support. It's enamel safe, vegan, gluten-free, and cruelty-free. This set comes with a waterproof lead mouthpiece, 3 different types of whitening syrups, and a tooth whitening shade guide. You can also choose between a one-time purchase and a free 1-month subscription to Snow's Confidence Club, which offers regular supplies of whitening serum and other benefits to keep your smile bright, for the same price as the kit. Besides that, Snow offers a bunch of other products on their website to help you maintain that smile. For example, they have whitening toothpaste for $22, mouthwash for $30, diamond dissolving whitening strips for around $35, and extra strength whitening serum for about $35. So there are plenty of options, so you can find what works best for you. On top of that, all of their products have a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 2-year warranty on all of the kits I just mentioned. So if for whatever reason you're not happy with the results, you can return the product for a full refund. And again, if you decide that you want to give Snow a try, you can check out the affiliate link I left down in the description. Okay, so I've actually used the Snow Teeth Whitening Kit, and there's honestly a lot I really like about it. The biggest plus is how easy it is to use from the comfort of your home. All you have to do is just put the lead mouthpiece in, and it handles the rest. The treatments are short, around 9 minutes every day, which makes it super manageable even with a busy schedule. Also, the thing I was really relieved about is how gentle it is, especially since I have sensitive teeth. I was a bit concerned it might cause some irritation, but it's actually pretty comfortable to use. And after a few uses, I could see my teeth already looking a little lighter. And the kit comes with everything that you need, from the mouthpiece to the whitening serums, so there's no need to buy anything extra. And while Snow is definitely effective, there are a few things to keep in mind. first, in order to really see the best results, you'll need to commit to using it daily, which can be hard for some people to keep up with. Also, the lead mouthpiece might feel a bit bulky at first, but it usually gets more comfortable with time. Personally, I don't find these to be major issues, but it's good to know what to expect beforehand. So wrapping up this review on Snow Teeth Whitening, I'd say it's a great choice for anyone looking to brighten their smile without the hassle of dental visits. It's gentle, convenient, and easy to fit into your daily routine. I also appreciate that Snow offers additional products to help maintain results. The kit itself is straightforward to use, and it's gentle enough for those with sensitive teeth, with no uncomfortable sensitivity afterward, which is a big plus for many people. Now, I do want to mention that it does take a bit of a commitment to see the best results, since daily use is recommended. But given the quality of the product and the results, I honestly feel it's worth it if you're serious about getting a brighter, whiter smile. All in all, if you're looking for a teeth whitening option that's easy, effective, and that fits into your routine, Snow is definitely worth a try. Anyway, that's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And again, if you decide that you want to give Snow a try, you can check out the link I left for you down in the description. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section down below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.